Hi guys, today I'm here to show you the glam makeup look with my bestie. According to your dress, choose three colors along with a shimmer. It might be silver or gold. First, I'm choosing the light cream color and applying to the tip of your eyes. So, I didn't get any brush, that's why I'm applying in my fingers and it's very clean. And I'm going to the next shade, that is medium brown, then applying to the middle. Let it be very light, not too dark, and then at the end let's take the darkest color, that is dark brown, and apply it in the shape of your eyes. And remember that you have to extend your eyeliner until where your eyeshadow stops. It should not be too much or too less. So it is done, you can see the differentiation. Then add a shimmer. Add a little shimmer because it starts spreading after some time. So now let's make winged eyeliner. When there's too much of colors, it is better to add winged eyeliner or a thick eyeliner, not very thin. So this is how it turned out to be. It looks beautiful and I'm proud of this makeup look. If you also like this video, then you know what you should do. You should like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Follow for more.